Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure modals and overlays for accessible UX, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the importance of modals and overlays in user experience. Consider the specific purpose of your modal. Define clear objectives for the information you want to convey. Choose an appropriate context for your modal to appear. Ensure the modal does not obstruct important content unnecessarily. Design your modal to be visually appealing yet simple. Utilize a consistent color scheme and typography aligned with your brand. Add a clear, descriptive title that summarizes the content. Include concise, easy-to-read text that communicates the main message. Incorporate relevant visuals or icons to enhance understanding. Ensure the modal is responsive for various screen sizes and devices. Implement focus management to guide users as they interact. Make the modal easy to close with a prominent close button. Label the close button clearly with an accessible name. Ensure that keyboard navigation is possible, allowing users to tab through content. Use ARIA hidden attributes to hide the modal from screen readers when hidden. Apply the appropriate ARIA roles like dialogue or alert dialogue for accessibility. Include a trap focus feature while the modal is open to prevent users from tabbing out. Add appropriate ARIA live regions to announce changes in content dynamically. Test the modal with assistive technologies to ensure compatibility. Gather feedback from users, especially those with disabilities, on the modal's usability. Iterate on your design based on feedback received. Ensure that any overlay used is semi-transparent to convey the modal's importance. Check for contrast ratios to ensure readability against the overlay. Provide alternative methods for accessing similar information outside the modal. Document your configurations and design choices for future reference. Regularly review and update your modals to ensure ongoing accessibility and usability. If the page does not load, refresh the browser. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.